Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the rear window defroster on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, and also if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from and where we get most of our tools and supplies from. You can check it out guys. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So the rear window defroster fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra here. By the way guys, today we're lucky for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to access, but you have 3 hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. Most people do not know they exist. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What do we need to do now? Open the hood. When you open the hood guys, okay, here on the driver's side you have a fuse box. You see that's a brake fluid reservoir right next to it. That's your fuse box right here. Open that cover and you will find that fuse box layout here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the rear window defroster, now things will differ guys. That's a 2018 year model fuse box. If you have a 2014 through 70, we will have some minor differences, so make sure to stay until the end. We will cover that, okay, for both vehicles guys. Okay, we need to check that for both of them, okay, because there will be differences. The fuse numbers may differ as well, and we want to, okay, explain about all that guys. So the fuse that we will need to check now guys, okay, is specifically known as fuse number 10. And fuse number 10 guys, okay, here in that fuse box, it just doesn't make sense how they label things, at least to me guys, because they will go to 9, then you will skip and then go to 11. So let's explain where you can find fuse number 10. You see guys that little bitty fuse here in the middle, because that's fuse number 6, then you go to 7, 8, 9, you go to 11, but fuse number 10 is right here. It doesn't make any sense, right? But it's there guys. Then we need to find relay 70, which is right there. If you have the 2014 through 2017, that's the fuse box right here. Fuse number 10 will be exactly the same location, but that will be known as relay 70. That's relay 70, fuse number 10. And 2018 model guys, excuse me, that's relay 69 and fuse 10. The location will be the same, but the number may differ, so those are the only things you need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.